Hey everybody, Johan here with Summerset Grills. Today, we're going to take a deep look into the Summerset Hybrid Pizza Oven. The body is built with heavy-duty stainless steel, so it can take both outdoor use and extreme temperatures. So the oven combines two fully functional cooking systems. First, you have a dedicated gas burner that delivers fast, controllable heat, while a separate gas-assisted wood fire burner is engineered to ignite and sustain real wood fire. The jet-style wood fire burner uses gas to quickly ignite and stabilize wood fires. Once established, the flame and the heat are driven by the wood itself, with gas really only assisting during startup and stabilization. So this is not a gas oven with wood added. It's a purpose-built hybrid design. Inside, you have a corduroy pizza stone that absorbs and distributes heats evenly, supporting temperatures exceeding 900 degrees Fahrenheit, which is ideal if you want to do authentic Neapolitan-style pizzas. You have a chimney with adjustable damper that pulls heats across the stone and through the oven chamber. That gives the oven a very even temperature. And combined with the burner control and the built-in temperature monitoring, this gives you as a cook real control in both gas and wood modes. And this oven is perfect for serious outdoor cooks who wants convenience during the week and authentic wood fire flavor when entertaining or cooking artisan-style pizzas. And it also looks absolutely stunning, so it will be a centerpiece in any backyard. So the Summerset Hybrid Pizza Oven delivers flexibility without compromise. You have precision when you need it and tradition when you crave it. And remember, a hybrid pizza oven is not only for pizzas. Anything you can cook inside in your oven, you can cook outside in this hybrid pizza oven. I'm Johan with Summerset. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy grilling.